Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan da shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Ninwan ra mangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Kaseng Kongres Kabasong Hakalyang Persha jong ke ying dorbar thau ain ke jilla kala ai Jingmut ye ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance makan penjari no de ka lockdown ne ka Jingpakhang ye ka Shnong ka thau habaro ko wei ke jilla Meghalaya khnang ban Ïada ye ka Jingsaphriang jong khnyang Jingpang COVID khat khandai habaya keren bat kilat patai khobor unong aiktin jong kaseng Kongres uzenit sangma ula kenturu ye kipaj ba bakin shimkhia hi daladi ban mi shakhmat nagabenta ban ay ka dawai tika ka ban Ïada ne ka jingyabit ya ka Jingpang COVID khat khandai hadin baka khlam Jingpang COVID khat khandai ka lawan den shop teng e hagani ka kanti ha ka jilla Meghalaya baro ka wei.
Yeah, it's good that taken my first dose of COVID vaccination, and it's been quite late for me to take this dose, because I was continuously busy in the last in just concluded JCDC election, and right after the completion of the JCDC election I just came back to Shillong, and I have been prioritizing to take the first dose of COVID vaccination. And I appeal to all concerned, all the citizens of this state, to take this vaccination, because we never know. We are always vulnerable to be attacked by this disease. That is why we should be very, very careful as far as taking care of our health is concerned, because the second wave of this COVID-19 is very dangerous, and across the nation we are seeing that whoever is being infected with this COVID-19 and being positive, and there has been lots of casualties. They are succumbing to this dreaded disease. Therefore, I request everyone to take priority in as far as taking of this vaccination is concerned. And I appeal to the government that before it is too late, we should be prepared and give vaccination as much as we can to the people of the state. And as far as the availability of oxygen is concerned, we should be very much prepared so that any eventualities or any challenges can be resolved, can be addressed to by the government for the benefit of the people of the state. Yeah, see, as far as possible, we should try to contain the spread of this disease, because if we don't do so, then supposing if it goes beyond control, then things will be very, very unmanageable. Therefore, we should be very proactive, and containment, declaration of containment zones in certain areas. Yes, it is required, but then strict adherence of the protocols are to be there. And if need be, since human life is the most precious thing than anything else, so if required, there may be lockdown also for a few days, just to enable us to contain the spread of this disease. Something goes wrong, then only the government is taking certain decisions. Therefore, if you recall, I have been always talking about being proactive, because before anything happens, if we proactively do something, making some preventive measures, then we can always save the lives of the people. But as it is being seen in the affairs of our state, that preparedness is not there. And see, if we are seeing that there has been rapid rise in the positive cases. And if it continues, then how we are going to handle it, the situation. Therefore, there should be enough hospitals, enough beds, so that any eventualities, any challenges that we are going to face can be addressed at the right moment.